free to go up there outside of the fair gate and express yourself. You cannot do it here. Okay?
Watch your fingers.
Okay. You are subject to arrest. Sir, do you understand what I said?
What's the law being violated?
I'm exercising my First Amendment rights. I'm exercising my freedom.
Do you really have to be this petty?
What's the law that's being violated?
I'm part of the Cash
It's
Money
already
Millionaires,
happening.
y'all.
Don't be this friggin' petty.
Cash Money.
What is wrong with banners and a March thing? What law is being violated?
You can't say it. Let go because there's stick-ins in it and you're going to hurt yourself. And I showed that. I'll take it.
I'm asking you.
I'll take it upstairs.
Do you understand?
He's asking what law is being
I'll put
violated.
it away for now.
That's your fingers free. You're being
Finally, what is the law that's being violated?
All right.
What's the law that's being violated?
What's the law that's being violated? This man
Are
likes
you
it.
here?
You've been asked that like 5 times.
None so far, actually.
It's a BART rule, it's not a law.
By him and me, 'cause I actually have a valid BART card in my pocket. Check
Yes,
this,
you
dude.
can take it upstairs. You're free to express yourself upstairs. It's a safety issue. You're not allowed to do that down here.
How is it unsafe?
Holding a banner is
I may go far
I just need to make sure that you understand me. You are subject to
state
arrest.
logic. Holding a banner
BART
is a
card?
danger in the
BART card, I
public.
can't read here. BART card.
I guess we're all here for free speech. Is that true? Is that true? Because I hope so. It's not unplanetary, and we all got people all over the planet, and the animals came on the planet and the trees.
Let's have a speaker who feels comfortable talking against police brutality here. Come over here into the center of this circle and speak your mind. I'm not eloquent enough, but I can try. Free speech. Go free speech. Let's remember Charles Hill. Let's see if he wants to take me down to the ground. I haven't done anything. I paid, right? Come here for a day in San
On the
Francisco.
taxpayers' day.
No taxpayer base, free speech. I guess this is what he's trying to stop. I didn't call you all here. You know, them and their current. You know how I know about this? I heard about it on KMEL. Mainstream press. KMEL told me to come here and fight police brutality today. So, it's going on, folks. Better watch out. He seems to not, oh no, he does have a taser. And I do believe people can get out of control and can drink too much and become a nuisance and something to themselves. But we have to talk about the re-education of the BART police. Re-education to let them know what is and is not okay. That could have been your uncle had too many fucking drinks at the family reunion, comes down to BART and gets shot. How many times did you guys shoot him, sir?
Ma'am, you have to keep your voice down to the level of public address matters can be heard for safety reasons. If you wish to speak more loudly,
I
you
can't
go
hear that,
upstairs
I know.
into the free area. I just want to make sure that's clear.
Thank you for my
Otherwise,
ticket.
you are subject to arrest.
Awesome. I'm glad you're showing me extra attention and treating me like a human
Everybody,
being.
this
He's not
officer
trying to
just
grab me.
informed us that if we raise our voices, we will be arrested. So I'm gonna lead everybody in a chant. No justice, no peace. Disband the BART police. No justice, no peace.